Hello everyone, my name is Harshal Patil. I am current third year diploma student studying from ZIL Polytechnic Pune. So our group members are Harshal Patil, Rizwan Mulla and Pranav Kulkarni. Our project topic name is Entrepreneurship as a Major Approach in Solving Unemployment Syndrome. Our project guide is Professor Mahesh Pawar sir. First of all, we will study about what is unemployment. Unemployment refers to situations in which the workers who are capable of working and willing to work do not get employment. So basically, unemployment occurs when a person who is actively searching for employment is unable to find work. So it is often used as measure of health economy. The unemployment is a major problem faced by many countries like India. It can impact not only individuals but also communities, regions, and overall economy. So the next point is unemployment syndrome. The unemployed tend to have higher level of impaired mental, including depression, anxiety, stress, as well as higher level of mental health hospital admissions, chronic disease like hypertension and cardiovascular disease. So psychological indicators have been studied well in connection with health effects of unemployment. So the death rate is increased among the unemployment persons. So the further part will explain by Pranav Kulkarni. Thank
Hello friends, thank you Harshal. As Harshal explained about what is unemployment and unemployment syndrome, now we will see the main cause of unemployment. First one is caste system. In India, caste system is prevalent. The work is prohibited for a specific caste in some areas. In many cases, the work is not given to the deserved candidate, but given to the person belongs to particular community. So it gives rise to unemployment. Second one is slow economic growth. Indian economy is underdeveloped. The role of economic growth is very low. This slow growth fails to provide enough employment opportunities to the person or increasing population. The third is increase in population. Constant increase in the population has been a big problem in India. It is one of the main cause of unemployment. The unemployment rate due to increase in population in India is 11.1%. Next one is joint family system. In big families having big business, many such persons will available who do not do any work and depend on a joint income of family. Many of them seems to be working, but they do not add anything to production. So they encourage disguised unemployment. Slow growth of industrialization. The rate of industrialization growth as compared to rate of increase in population in India is very low. Last one is defective planning. It is one of the main cause of unemployment. There is a wide gap between supply and demand for a labor. No plan for a formulated any long term seems for removal of unemployment. Okay, then next part will be explained by Rizwan Mullah.
Yes, thank you, Pranav Kulkarni. Now, I would like to move forward to see, can entrepreneurship solve the problem of unemployment? Entrepreneurship is our greatest weapon to contract with these issues and to empower our youth. So basically, yes, entrepreneurship is the greatest weapon to solve the problems like unemployment. When battling unemployment, entrepreneurship is only the solution itself. Entrepreneur opens the door to new venture, new businesses, new alliances, etc. So entrepreneurship makes the finest way to open new businesses, new alliances, etc. When an investor puts money into a startup or venture, the entrepreneur automatically gets to expand its term to scale the venture. and hence providing employment to more people. This means that investing money to new startup, the entrepreneur automatically gets expand its have to expand its team, which lead for providing employment to more and more people, which leads to solve the problem of unemployment. It can increase direct employment by 50 million to 60 million people by 2030. So your research says that India can increase employment by 50 million to 60 million till 2030. Female entrepreneur may hold the key to alleviating India's unemployment problem. This means that female can play the main role in solving the unemployment. Enabling a woman to start up and scale can help employ up to 170 million people by 2030, according to the joint report by Bain and company and Google. So this means that entrepreneurship by the female can help unemployment up to 170 million people till 2030. So here comes in final conclusion of our project. So basically, while studying on this project, we got to know that entrepreneurship can solve the problem for unemployment, and hence it may lead India for resolving the problem of unemployment. Thank you for your valuable time, and I think our topic has been clear to you all. Thank you once again.